Before launching a home-based business, the most important step is preparation. Many people jump straight into setting up their workspace or advertising their services, but success actually begins long before that. You need to do solid research. Take time to study the industry you are entering, understand the demand for your product or service, and identify your ideal customers. Look into your competitors, what they offer, how they price it, and what makes them successful. Research local laws, zoning rules, and licensing requirements so you know whether you are allowed to operate from home and what regulations apply. Also, explore startup costs and estimate how long it will take to become profitable. The more you learn ahead of time, the fewer surprises you'll face later. Research gives you the confidence to make informed decisions and lays the foundation for a smooth, professional, and successful home based business. Now, the first research you need to do is, of course, local laws or local regulations. Before starting your business, before setting up your business, you need to know your local laws. You need to know the city you are living and regulations. You have to do your own research about the city. You have to know whether your city might have zoning laws that limit running a commercial operation from your home, especially if it increases neighborhood traffic, because not every city allows you to run business, not every city. So you want to verify any way restrictions in your area. When you do your research and follow the law by the book, you stay safer, because knowledge is power and it's always better than say sorry. Next up, parking space. Now, it is important to ask yourself, where will my customers park? Where will my visitors park? So you need to ensure that your customers or your visitors park safely, that there is enough or sufficient parking space nearby for your visitors so they can arrive conveniently and safely. Not only ensuring that your customers or visitors have enough space to park, but also make sure that they can park legally. And for that, you have to familiarize yourself with local parking regulations. It's also important to communicate with any neighbors who may be impacted by your business traffic. Additionally, make sure that your home is easy to reach by public transportation, and also think about clients who may have mobility challenges. Third, whether you can use your home address for your business or not. Well, the answer is yes, you can. But many entrepreneurs do not like clients coming into their home or clients knowing their home address. And that decision really depends on your personal preference and the nature of your business. In fact, clients don't really care about your home. All that matters is the service that you're going to provide them. Make sure that the service is 100. If you'd like to keep your home business private, well, there's a way you can do that. You can do that by renting a post office box or use a package store that offers mailbox services. In this case, your business address will be the street address of the store along with a unique box number. Fourth, understanding homeowners association rules. Before buying a home in a community managed by a homeowners association or HOA, it's important to understand exactly what that means. An HOA is a governing body created to maintain standards, protect property values, and promote a clean, organized neighborhood. But with that structure comes a set of rules, and every homeowner is responsible for following them. Let's break it down. HOAs create what's called covenants, conditions, and restrictions, often referred to as CC&Rs. These outline everything from how you can maintain your property to exterior paint colors, landscaping requirements, parking regulations, noise limits, and even whether you can rent your home out. While some of these rules may seem strict, They are designed to help keep the neighborhood uniform and attractive, which can help preserve and even increase property value over time. However, living in an HOA community also means you'll be responsible for monthly or annual dues. These fees help cover shared maintenance, landscaping in common areas, security, and sometimes amenities like a pool, clubhouse, gym, or playground. If you fail to follow the rules or fall behind on payments, the HOA can issue violations, fines, and in extreme case, place a lien on your home. When moving into an HOA community, review the rules before signing any agreement. Ask for a copy of the bylaws and CC&Rs and make sure they align with your lifestyle. Do you want to build a fence, host regular gatherings, or start a home based business? It's great to get approval first. Some homeowners find the HOA structure extremely helpful and organized, while others feel it limits their freedom. So, understanding the guidelines ahead of time will help you avoid future conflicts. Finally, remember the HOAs are usually run by elected board members, often your neighbors. If you want changing or more flexibility, consider getting involved or attending community meetings. This gives you a voice and the rules that affect your home and your investment. At the end of the day, HOA regulations exist to support order, safety, and home value, but success depends on how informed you are. So, always read the rules, comply with requirements, and stay engaged in your community. Let me pause for just a moment to tell you this. If this video is so far helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe right now. Your support allows me to keep bringing you the tools and motivation you need to grow. And if you know someone who's been talking about starting their own home-based business but just needs a little encouragement, share this video with them. You could be the reason they finally take that step towards success. Alright, let's keep moving forward because your business transformation starts right here. Lastly, your CD regulations. Check if your CD allows the type of business you plan to run from home. Not all zoning areas permit customer visits, commercial activity, or outdoor signage. Some cities even have limits on how much space inside your home you can dedicate to business use. Next, you may be required to apply for a home occupation permit or business license. This is a legal document that confirms your business meets all residential regulations. During this process, the city may review things like parking availability, expected foot traffic, noise levels, and potential health or safety concerns. Another important rule is employee and customer activity. Many cities don't allow more than one non resident employee on site, and they may restrict how many clients or visitors can come to your home per day. If your business creates any kind of disturbance, such as noise, odor, or increased traffic, it could violate city codes. Also, there are often limits on signage, advertising, and visible business equipment. You may not be allowed to hang business banners, store inventory outdoors, or alter the home's exterior to look like a commercial space. If your business involves food preparation, childcare, health services, or anything with safety risks, additional inspections or certifications may be needed, like fire safety checks or health department approval. Finally, even if your city approves your business, your HOA or landlord may have additional restrictions. So make sure you review all agreements before moving forward. What if I told you that not having money is no longer an excuse? Right now, people are making real income starting from $0, and today I'll show you exactly how. The fastest way to make money with no money is simple. It's simple. You don't need to be experienced. No experience is even needed. You don't need to be a professional. It's to sell what you already know or can learn quickly. This could be writing, designing, social media posting, editing videos, organizing emails, customer support. You don't need to be an expert, okay? You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. The second way that you can make money with actually zero dollar is to leverage social media without being famous. You don't need thousands of followers to make money online. Social media is powerful because it allows you to share helpful content, promote services, build trust quickly. You can create short videos, posts, or comments that solve problems and direct people to your offer. Consistency beats popularity every time. The third way is affiliate marketing or sell without creating. Affiliate marketing is when you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You don't need inventory, customer support, a website. You only need a product you trust, a platform to share it. When someone buys through your link, you earn money. It's one of the lowest risk ways to start making money online. The fourth way is to learn a high income skill for free. Okay, for free. Now, you've got time to scroll through your phone all day. Carve out some time to learn new skills instead. Okay, like carve out at least 30 minutes a day or 1 hour a day to learn something. There are a lot of websites that offer free education. The internet is full of free education skills like copywriting, video editing, digital marketing, sales, and so on. Pick one. Pick one. These skills can generate income for years, and many people learn them without spending a dollar. The key is execution, not information. If this is already helping you, hit like, subscribe for more real money strategies, and comment ready. All right, let's continue. The fifth way is to offer services locally. Offline still works. Online isn't the only option. Many people overlook local service businesses, and that's a huge mistake. You can make money by offering tutoring, tech help for small businesses, moving help, yard work, cleaning services. This requires zero startup costs, just initiative and consistency. One client can turn into referrals, and referrals turn into steady income, and so on. Sixth, flip free or cheap items. People give away valuable items every single day. You can find furniture, electronics, appliances, clean them, fix minor issues if needed, and we sell them. This turns time and effort into cash, not money into money. And lastly, one of the most important ones, mindset shift, the real secret. Here's the truth most people avoid. Making money with no money requires discipline, patience, and action. You won't see results overnight, but you will see results if you stay consistent. Every successful person started somewhere. Every successful one. Most of them started with less than you have right now. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and see you in the next one.